Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and I can't wait to open this box. DJI have just announced the latest addition to their popular Mavic series, the DJI Air 2S. But if you haven't managed to see the announcement just yet, then fear not, because here are the headlines. Firstly, the sensor's been given a huge upgrade. It's now a 1-inch 20 megapixel CMOS sensor, which isn't only larger than that of the Mavic Air 2, but it's also got larger pixels, enabling you to capture incredible detail and clarity whether you're shooting stills or video. Speaking of video, the Air 2S can shoot 5.4K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second. You've also got the option to shoot full HD at 120 frames per second if you want to play about with slow motion. Incredible. It's small and compact in its design, weighing in at less than 600 grams, so you really can take this drone with you anywhere to capture anything. Okay, that's enough of the spec for now. How about we unbox this drone? What a beauty, they've done it again. First impressions, it feels and looks like a Mavic Air 2 in size and weight, but hello, look at this beautiful large camera gimbal right here. As well as having the upgraded camera sensor, the Air 2S also features intelligent HDR, which will give you better dynamic range within your shots. You've also got hyperlapse and panorama modes. That's not all though, DJI have also added new smart features to help you get perfect shots with ease every time. These are called master shots, and from what I can tell, it's just the next evolution from quick shots. All you need to do is select your subject, and then the drone will go off and film 10 different maneuvers in sequence, making sure that your subject is still center frame. And then at the end of it, it will even compile it into a short cinematic looking video for you. How cool is that? The DJI Air 2S also has the ability to perceive its environment in 4 directions. So that's up, down, forwards and backwards. The algorithms for APAS 4.0 have also seen improvements. So your Air 2S will now be able to avoid obstacles in more complex scenarios and at high speeds. And as safety is still paramount for DJI, we've also got their most advanced O3 transmission technology to ensure a reliable, ultra smooth and clear image feed every time you fly. And that's not all. The Air 2S also has built-in ADS-B, which will provide you with audio and visual alerts through the DJI Fly app to help keep your drone out of the way of other aircraft, including aeroplanes and helicopters. Taking a closer look at what you get in the box, this is the Fly More combo. So we get our DJI Air 2S drone with 1 battery that's already attached, and then we get 2 spare batteries, a charging dock, ND filters, some spare cables for connecting your phone to your controller. You also get a spare set of the joystick, nipply things. We've got our charging units, and you get 3 full sets of props. And also, let's not forget the snazzy carry case that everything comes in. If you were to buy the standard kit on its own, so not the Fly More combo, then you would get this in the box. Well, I can't wait to get out and give this drone a fly. And if you'd like to find out any more information on the DJI Air 2S, then head on over to jessops.com now, or click on the link that's in our description. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. If you've got anything particular you want us to test out when we do give this a fly, pop that in the comments below. Until then, that's it from me, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.